Because I think a lot of people still afraid to go out, guys. It's really hard to just go out. Even if we have this new normal, it's still not safe. Hi semua, nama saya John dari Philippines and this is Truly Asia Diaries. While browsing in YouTube, I saw this new normal video from a blogger here in Malaysia. I think he is from Indonesia and the channel name is True Travelographer Stories. So credits to you to this video. So without further ado, guys, let's check what this blogger here in Malaysia discovered about the new normal of today. So without further ado, let's all watch this. So headphones on and let's get it on.
Kalau yang di bawah gua, ini adalah new normal.
Oh, it's in Bahasa Indonesia or Bahasa Melayu. So let's just see what we can see on the video. So you can see, guys, he is inside a mall. I don't know which mall is this. So you see how when you enter, there's a scanner. Okay. Then you have to sanitize. Okay. Alright, so that's just the introduction, guys. So let's see what he found out. Oh, it's in Pavilion. That's one of the biggest mall here in Kuala Lumpur.
Untuk sobat pejalan yang sedang menonton video ini, dukung channel kami dengan klik tombol subscribe, klik lonceng untuk mendapatkan notifikasi video baru, klik like, comment, and di-share ke teman-teman atau keluarga ya.
Alright. So he is in Pavilion Mall, guys, one of the most populated mall here in Malaysia.
Yuk, ikuti perjalanan kami.
Alright.
New normal bukan berarti kembali hidup normal seperti sebelum pandemi COVID-19 mewabah, melainkan sebuah gaya hidup baru di mana protokol kesehatan
normally, as you can see, guys, it's not that crowded outside.
Untuk teman-teman yang ada di Indonesia, semoga video ini bisa
I
memberikan
think he's
pengetahuan
also
dan
explaining
wawasan bagaimana kehidupan new
how
normal
the
diterapkan di negara
process
kita
in
Malaysia.
Indonesia, or he is comparing it to Indonesia. Alright. So, alright, I remember this street. This in Bukit
Umumnya
Bintang.
semua tempat gedung, kantoran maupun outlet atau mall wajib ngisi.
So he's trying to explain like before you enter an outlet, you need to scan
Ini untuk memudahkan pemerintah dalam hal tracing.
Oh, this is Fahrenheit 88 in Bukit Bintang.
Nah, ini contoh pengen masuk ke Uniqlo, harus ngantri dulu karena di
people
dalamnya
on
dijatahin maksimal berapa
But
orang.
very
saja
less
itu.
people. Normally, guys, this part of Kuala Lumpur, there is a lot of people
Contohnya,
there.
Uniqlo di sini hanya 70 customer saja.
But there's a limit of 70
Mall maupun
people
gedung
in
ikut
one shop.
berpartisipasi dalam sosialisasi. Ini
And also
contoh
there's like a
sosialisasi
big
untuk menjaga physical distancing 1
screen
meter.
there showing that we should practice social distancing,
Ini adalah
which is 1
gambaran
meter.
pelaksanaan new normal di Malaysia, di mana kita wajib untuk cek suhu baik dengan thermometer gun
Yeah.
maupun
They're using
dengan
a
mesin
thermometer
otomatis,
gun.
di mana ada
It's also
kamera
like in our
pendeteksi suhu
office,
tubuh.
before you enter, there's a thermometer gun, there's a scanner. This is Mal My Town
Dan
in
ini
Cheras.
contoh di mana menjadi hal yang umum kita wajib registrasi setiap kali masuk ke sebuah gedung atau bangunan.
Shamalin Mall in Cheras. See people on queue practicing social distancing. I love how Malaysians is so disciplined when it comes to this kind of protocol from the government. You see there's a thermometer gun and then they will sanitize the hand and ensure that everyone is wearing face mask. Oh, I wonder if I wanted to experience this, maybe I can create a content experiencing it myself.
Bagaimana ya penerapan new normal yang diterapkan di toko-toko retail yang ada di Malaysia?
Di masa new normal ini akan
See,
sangat
this
umum
one
melihat
is
antrian sebelum
which
kita
mall
masuk
is
toko.
this?
Nah, ini mau masuk salah satu toko.
You see people on queue, guys. You cannot,
Perlengkapan
unlike
rumah,
before, you
lihat
can just
antriannya.
enter
Panjang banget
any
ya.
shop inside
Ini
the
menjadi
mall.
sesuatu yang normal sih. Sebelum kita masuk ke sebuah toko, kita perlu antri karena kapasitasnya pun sekarang dibatasi.
Like, I think he's explaining that there is a capacity in each shop before you can enter. Like what we seen just now, 70 people limit in one shop.
Kalau di Indonesia dikenalkan dengan istilah PSBB, di Malaysia dikenal dengan PKP atau Perintah Kawalan Pergerakan. Ada 3 status yang dikenalkan
Bath and
Kerajaan
Body
Malaysia,
Works
yaitu
in
PKP
my
fase
town,
1,
Sheras.
di mana kesehatan menjadi prioritas
You
tertinggi.
see, it's like a
Fase
queue in
selanjutnya
a
yaitu
cinema,
PKPD,
guys.
khusus untuk kawasan zona merah, yaitu diperketat pergerakannya hingga sampai
But
dijaga
it's
oleh
very
tentara dan
less
dikelilingi
crowded
kawat
now
berduri.
compared to before.
Kemudian di fase pelonggaran, ketika wabah mulai menurun, dikenalkan dengan istilah PKPB, yaitu Perintah Kawal Pergerakan Bersyarat, namun wajib menerapkan protokol kesehatan COVID-19.
They're really following the protocol, guys. New normal in food court and restaurant.
Untuk sampai tahap pelonggaran dan
So
new
just
normal
now we
ini,
saw the new
kuncinya
normal in
disiplin
the
physical
shops
distancing sejak awal, yaitu
and inside the mall. So
kekonsistenan
now
pemerintah
it's in the
membuat
food
kebijakan,
court. This one is in Pavilion Mall.
mensosialisasikan dan menegakkan kebijakan tersebut,
As you can
serta
see,
kesadaran
in the
masyarakatnya
table they
untuk
put an
proaktif
X
melakukan
mark.
social distancing.
It means you
Hanya
cannot
keluar rumah untuk
sit
keperluan
there.
mendesak seperti bekerja atau
There's a
membeli kebutuhan pokok saja.
designated
Lihat nih antreannya.
oh, this is
Sekarang
Starbucks
mau
coffee.
ngopi aja harus
My town.
antri cuy. Tunggu
You
giliran
can
ya.
really go on queue. Oh, this one is new normal in supermarkets and public markets.
Di video sebelumnya, yaitu penerapan new normal protokol
Oh, it's
kesehatan
the
di
same.
mall,
Same as the
retail,
mall.
restoran, dan food court. Di video berikut ini adalah penerapan protokol kesehatan di pasar tradisional, pasar grosir
They do
maupun
a
di
thermometer
supermarket.
gun, then sanitize their hands before entering. You see guys how disciplined Malaysia is. I hope Philippines is also doing
Kini
this.
hasilnya mulai terlihat dari kurva yang telah melandai. Pemerintah Malaysia pun mulai melanggarkan peraturan
They're
untuk
showing
menggerakkan
the
ekonomi.
demography or
New normal seperti
how
memakai
Malaysia
masker,
did that
mengamalkan
possible,
physical
if you saw
distancing,
that.
serta menjalankan protokol kesehatan
see they
seperti memakai hand
sanitize
sanitizer,
the hand
serta
drills
melakukan
from the
registrasi
cart
ketika masuk
before
ke sebuah
giving it to
tempat,
the
toko,
customer.
gedung menjadi hal yang normal.
This one is supermarket Aeon in Maluri here, also here in Kuala
Nah,
Lumpur.
kalau ini mau masuk ke Ion.
So Aeon is like a big supermarket here, and most of the
Lebih
people
panjang.
go here to do their shopping for food. So as you can see, there's a long queue, guys. Look at that long queue, and they're practicing the 1 meter, 1 meter distance, social distancing. Then there's a barcode. There's also a logout. And they're
Untuk
giving
masuk
an
Aeon
entry pass,
Supermarket bahkan dia ngasih
reminding
check-in, guys.
about social distancing.
Kalau lulus pengecekan baru boleh masuk.
You see, there's like a line.
Untuk
That
golongan
you need to
ini
follow when you
kebutuhan khusus
queue.
atau manula, dia dikasih tempat khusus gitu. Jadi nggak perlu ngantri, dia boleh kalau darurat dia boleh masuk tanpa ngantri. New normal akan menjadi kebiasaan yang umum mengantri
This is the
untuk
new
masuk ke
normal
suatu
here
tempat
in Malaysia.
karena semua kapasitas sebuah tempat dibatasi.
I haven't been to Kuala Lumpur or to a big mall since the lockdown here in Malaysia. So okay, they're showing their trolley is periodically sanitized.
Oke, jadi setelah cek
Oh,
suhu,
and there's a time limit
dikasih batasan nih untuk
of
belanja di
30
supermarket,
minutes.
hanya
30 minutes per
Ini
person
kayak kuis nih.
to
Ayo.
shop. Oh my god, that's
Kita
really
belanja
hard
dalam
to
waktu
shop in
setengah
30
jam.
minutes, guys.
Untuk memperkecil kemungkinan penyebaran wabah, pembayaran dengan cara cashless, baik dengan kartu, e-money, maupun dengan mesin sangat disarankan.
Oh, like they're
Di Malaysia,
They're
praktek physical
paying,
distancing
cashless.
juga diterapkan di toilet umum
also
serta
in the
di
toilet.
ATM.
There's a social distancing, guys. New normal in
Di fase new normal di Malaysia, ketika mulai ada pelonggaran, di mana mall dan beberapa bisnis buka, namun
Okay.
tidak semua lini bisnis langsung diperbolehkan untuk beroperasi.
Oh,
ada
there are some
pengecualian
shops that
seperti
is still
karaoke,
closed,
Bioskop,
like
arena permainan
karaoke,
dan olahraga,
playground,
barbershop, salon, dan bisnis lain yang dianggap
salon.
terlalu beresiko untuk sebagai tempat penyebaran wabah masih ditutup.
So it's still closed as of now. Also, the cinemas
Nah,
are
bisa dilihat
closed.
di sini.
Oh, you know,
bioskop
I
ditutup.
miss watching
Ini total
movies
udah
in the
3 bulan
cinema,
lebih
guys.
ditutup.
now the new normal is like watching Netflix at home. So you're just lucky enough if you have a big screen
Nah,
at
kalian
home.
bisa lihat di sini, playground di dalam maupun arena permainan di dalam mall masih tutup.
Yeah, the
Jadi
playground
kalau
are
kalian lihat
closed.
nih, umumnya hanya orang dewasa aja sih. Dan ini pun kehidupan new normalnya menjadi seperti ini.
New normal, the transportation. This one
kalau
is in
ini
MRT.
adalah new normal di MRT stasiun yang ada di Malaysia. Jadi kita lihat gimana kehidupan new normal di transportasi umum yang ada di Malaysia.
So he's trying to explain what's the new normal
secara
in
jam
the
operasi itu tetap
transportation.
normal. Dia ada sekitar 5 sampai 10 menit sekali, tergantung di jam.
You see,
Sibuk
it's
atau bukan.
scheduled.
Nah, untuk pintu
And
masuk pun
also
yang
the
biasanya
entry
bisa
is practicing new
di
normal,
beberapa
guys.
pintu ya,
There's a
yang ini
distance
tutup.
between.
Jadi ini hanya untuk keluar saja, supaya untuk bisa ngontrol ya, keluar masuk orang.
Okay, and very less people now. Because I think a lot of people still afraid to go out, guys. It's really hard to just go out. Even if we have this new normal, it's still not safe. As much as possible, we can stay at home if we don't need to go out. See, even at the train station, there's social distancing. There's like a red mark there. See, you see how nice is the train here in Malaysia. I hope in the Philippines it's the same. You see, this is a LRT station, guys. Looks like a mall with the escalator.
Nah, di sini banyak pengumuman mengenai pengetahuan.
See, there's a reminder.
bahayanya
Yeah,
COVID-19,
everywhere. Even in the
tentang
office,
mempraktekkan
there's a
social
lot of reminders to
distancing.
practice new
Minimal
normal, social distancing, hand washing,
antara satu orang dengan orang yang lain.
to sanitize, of course. Okay. See, and all of them is wearing masks. That's very new normal, guys. That's the new normal now. You have to have your mask always.
Mari kita jaga social
See,
distancing.
even in the chair,
Nah, kita lihat
there's
yang
a
dikasih
new
stiker
normal
supaya jaga
or
jarak.
social distancing reminder.
Kita berdiri aja di sini supaya aman, menjaga jarak aman untuk mempraktekkan social
But
distancing.
this one doesn't have a red line on the floor. It's just on the chair of the train only. Oh, this one is true
Di video
Grab.
sebelumnya adalah protokol kesehatan di MRT dan LRT. Dan ini adalah protokol kesehatan di salah satu Grab yang pernah saya naiki.
Okay.
Drivernya
There's a
menguji
temperature
suhu
check
tubuh saya
also when
sebelum
you
diperbolehkan
ride a
untuk naik
Grab
dan jalan.
car here in
Mungkin
Malaysia.
bisa kamu terapkan juga ya.
And normally, there's a limit, guys. Before, it's just one passenger per Grab. Now it's two maximum. If it's more than that, they will not book you for Grab.
Semenjak PKP diberlakukan
New
di
normal
Malaysia sejak 18 Maret
in
lalu
the
hingga
temple.
bulan Juni sekarang, kegiatan
Or-
ibadah di tempat
Because
ibadah
they
ditiadakan.
still do
Contohnya,
pray,
untuk
of
umat muslim,
course,
sholat
here
berjamaah
in
5 waktu,
Malaysia.
termasuk sholat Jumat, hingga bulan Ramadan kemarin, seperti sholat taraweh dan sholat id juga di rumah saja.
Oh, this one is in
Apakah menurut
Putrajaya,
kamu
I think.
kebijakan PKP atau PSBB di Malaysia ini berlebihan? Boleh tinggalkan
I
pendapat
think they
kamu di
also
komentar
limit
ya.
the number of people inside the temple.
Satu yang pasti, contoh betapa berlebihannya negara Vietnam dan Taiwan dalam menangani wabah ini hingga sukses mengatasi pandemi, bisa kita jadi
Vietnam
acuan.
and Taiwan.
Terkadang
I
tidak
think
menganggap
they're
enteng sebuah
also
pandemi
doing
itu
this.
terbukti pilihan bijak.
I
Apakah kamu siap
wonder
untuk
how
hidup
the
new
Philippines
normal
is
ini?
doing with the new normal. There you go, guys. That is Shoe Travelographer Stories, a blogger here in Malaysia showing the protocol when it comes to the new normal. And I think he is comparing it to Indonesia also. Since it's in Bahasa Melayu or Indonesia, I wasn't able to understand every sentence or words that he is saying, but I was able to understand some of it. And also, it's really good how he did this content wherein he segregated the protocol when it comes to the mall, also to the restaurants, and then showing the public transportation protocol, the supermarkets protocol. So, and as you can see, guys, it's very well disciplined, and people are really doing the right thing when it comes to the new normal of social distancing, scanning their temperature and also scanning the barcode to register. As you can see in the video, before you enter the shop, you need to scan a barcode. That is for you to keep a record that you went to that shop, so which they can easily track down if you became one of the person of interest, or you might be positive with what is happening right now. So that is really, really good. And as you can see, everyone wearing masks. That is very, very important. And also, it's not that crowded compared to before, but at least Malaysia is starting to get used to it. And also, it's for everyone's safety. Just a reminder to everyone also, if you don't really need to go outside, you can just still practice stay at home and just go to the mall or to the supermarkets if you really need to. But if you will just bored at home and got nothing to do, then try to find something productive to do at home rather than going outside, and you might have the risk of getting the virus outside. So that's a wrap with our TAD's reaction time. If you have any requests, you can always comment down below or request via social media in my Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. So once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye.